Hi everyone, I'm Tara. Welcome to my home. I'm so excited to show you. I actually bought a penthouse. I can't believe it. I'm pretty proud of myself. I managed to buy it all on my own thanks to a low mortgage rate, and I think I was just really lucky considering Vancouver is one of the world's most unaffordable places to buy a place. Anyways, today I want to show you how I've decorated it. I've done it in a minimalist style, which to me means the art of decorating with less. So there's no clutter, lots of white, bright spaces, and very neutral. So I can't wait to show you the before and then after, and I hope you like it.
So this is my place the day I moved in. You can see all my moving boxes there still. And this is my place today. It's very bright and I have a lot of large high windows. Here's my kitchen before. And here it is after. I've used my existing dining table in chrome and glass, bought some counter stools, and I had the kitchen cabinet doors replaced because I wanted white glossy ones, and I got new chrome handles. I got a new kitchen faucet that's touchless. I bought a very sleek chrome pendant light with crystals in it. I filled in and sanded hundreds of holes and dents in the walls, and then I painted everything white. I had to hire my friend to get the high areas since I'm scared of heights. I painted all the trim as well. Here's the living room before with my old furniture, and here's my living room now. My new sofa has a pull-out bed and lots of storage. This beautiful oil painting is actually my TV. It's a Samsung called The Frame. The TV comes with a wall mount, which I installed flush against the wall. You can choose any image you want as your art, and it will turn off when you're not in the room. I wanted my wall to be as clean as possible, so I put the little cable into the wall. Here you could see it at the bottom. The power and cable are plugged in, and then I hid the boxes in my planter. The cables go through the hole at the bottom that every planter usually has. I bought a fake plant because I can't be watering this one, and then I added a little wire shelf and made a moss lid to hide the boxes. I used scrap wood to lift the planter off the floor so the cables can fit through the hole on the bottom. I put up a clock but without its numbers for a minimalist look. Here's my downstairs bathroom, which looked a little boring, so I put up some wallpaper to make it look like a concrete wall. I got a new white gloss cabinet, quartz countertop, and a new faucet. This faucet is so cool. Okay, let's head upstairs. This was my master bedroom before. And one wall was a dark green, so I've painted it gray. And here's my bedroom now. This is my master ensuite bathroom before, which had some water damage. I installed a curved shower rod, which honestly was kind of a struggle by myself. And I got a new bathroom cabinet in white gloss as well with the quartz counters. There's my curved shower rod. I got a new faucet as well. And there's my heated toilet seat. I put my old desk in the other bedroom. Here's the other bathroom before. And I did the same updates in this one. I changed all the ceiling lights to more modern LEDs. This was the balcony before. And this is the balcony now. It's probably my favorite place. I can't show you the whole view for privacy reasons, but it is really beautiful.
So this is my place. Thanks for the visit. You know, I just want to say a year ago, I was laid off and living in a place half this size. So if you're having a rough time right now, please just stay positive. You never know what can happen. Thanks for watching.